Hey there, this is Brian of Bryans Musings. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't made any content in the recent past, reasons being that I've been really busy, tied up with many other projects that have been keeping me busy, but I want to get back to my vlogging ways. And with that, today I am going to join a friend of mine. His name is Peter. He's from the Tongan Islands. So I'm gonna join him. He's gonna show me how to make the traditional kava drink. Kava is predominantly found in the South Pacific area, the islands of Fiji, Tonga, New Zealand, other places. I've never been there before, so I can't really speak for the thing. But personally, I've been drinking kava thanks to Peter. Anyways, so Peter is gonna take over and show us by extension about this kava drink and how it's prepared from the first step up until we start drinking it. Let me not talk so much. Let me take you straight to the video.
Peter Nauleveni from Tonga Island, and I'm about to mix kava. It's our tradition and culture drink. We have it back in the island. It's very formal and it's informal too. But tonight we have a social kalapu night at our house, and this is the kava that we plant in Tonga. So we plant the kava, and then we pound those kava and crush it into this fine kava powder. And so it's easy. It's just water right here from our bottle. This is a whole bottle. So this is the amount of water it's up to here.
Half a gallon.
Yeah,
Okay.
I pour into this, and we have strainers. The strainers, there's some are very tiny, small, and some are a little bit not really tiny. So this one is too fine. This is the one that I mix it with. So what I do, I already clean. You have to make sure you clean everything, and then you put this inside. And a lot of people, they have different measurements, and I use the coffee cup to do my measurements. So I have this cover goes in like this. And then because of this amount of water,
You're gonna get some more.
My measurements is 2 cups of kava.
So did you import this from Tonga?
Yeah, everything it's planned in Tonga and pound, pack everything, and then you ship it here. So it says here kava tofua. Kava tofua is one of the island in Tonga. Hardly people stays there, but they plant the kava there. It's a high relief place, and this kind of kava, it's very strong. It's very strong. This kava here, it's from another island. It's Ewa.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So our Tongan people, they love to drink the strong and very strong flavor of kava, which is strong. But because I have some people here, we invite them first time drinking kava. I mix them with the Ewa kava, so you don't have to hate the taste.
Okay.
Because it's new, and so that's why I have 1 cup from there, 1 cup from here, and this is how I do it. To mix it, I already wash my hands. You have to wash your hands nicely clean because your hands is gonna go in.
So maybe you could also mention the benefits of kava while you're at it.
Yes. With I'll show. We're going to show you in a little bit. Our people inside the living room, they like kava because they are runners. One of the boys, they're not Tongan. They will explain to you in a video why they choose the kava. Of what they were telling me. They run all those what you call this marathon run. Yes, a long running. So of what they were saying, they have this joint and muscles aches, but they don't like drinking. They don't like beer, alcohol. So they were looking. They don't like taking medicine as well, like drugs. So they were looking for something organic, and they found kava. And of what I heard from them, They were telling the story. This was like what 20 years ago. I think Google was not. I think he found the book in the library, and he read about that, and he found the cover, and he read in where it comes from Tonga, in Fiji, Vanuatu, from the Pacific Islands. So he says where to buy it, and they were drinking the cover all this time. And when we moved here to Thailand, we met with these fine people, and they know we're Tongan. They come and join us, and we start a little kalapu here. If you come close and you see how I mix the kava, but I'll send I'll pass the thing to one of the boys later to explain how they get into the kava. Now they drink kava. They know more about the history about the kava more than I do, which I'm Tongan, and I'm happy of that. It makes me proud of them.
Yeah.
They know.
Other people from different cultures
Yes, they're from
appreciating your culture.
America, from Ireland, from Hawaii, from
Kenya.
Kenya. There you go. Yeah, it's interesting.
Yeah, it is.
It's interesting because the only thing I know about kava, we're drinking back in the island, But to get out of America, New Zealand, Australia, and come here to Thailand and meet these people drinking kava, it's so amazing.
And they actually appreciate it.
Yeah. So if any of you guys wanna buy kava, we'll show you some of our kumetes, some of our cups we use in the island, and we sell it too. You can buy, you can mix in your own house.
Mm-hmm.
You have guests, but there are a lot of benefits. To me, what I love about drinking kava, after a very hard work, during the week, I can sit down with my friends and drink, not alcohol, but drink kava. We can play music, we sing, we talk, because it gets us to sit together and not talking about family issue. We hardly talk about work. We talk about different things. Everybody just come in with funny jokes, whatever stupid thing happened that week. We talk about it and we laugh.
You just share anything with
We
each
share
other.
anything. See, this is how it is. When you finish, it's good. I'm not gonna throw this away now. It's already finished, but the next mix, I'm gonna use this to open it to clean it.
Okay, gotcha.
So this strainer, I'm gonna use it to strain it into the kumete, which we're gonna go there.
So we carry this?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not like alcohol. It's not alcohol. No.
No, it's
Okay.
not.
So,
But it makes you drunk, relaxed, and happy. If you see, this is the boys. This is how we set up here the kalapu, and this is the kumete. This is the cups we're gonna use. And can someone help me here? Open up your heart. Open up your heart. So this is how we strain it inside. So if there will be any leftover dust or whatever that I mix there, and it comes out the bucket, so it will catch here. So this is the final strain.
I'll let you shake this, and this is called a foul, right?
Yeah, this is what we call the foul back home, but because we don't have the foul here, so we use this.
Nice, man.
Very interesting, I should say.
Don't mind the mask. I'm a little bit sick. The traditional foul too is made from what?
From the traditional foul
It's not COVID.
is from a foul tree. We have this tree back home.
True.
It's called foul. If you come in and you see this, if you come close, you see I missed some of the thing when I first mix it. So it will get in this strainer.
I think it also makes it necessary to use this type of material. Whereas back in the day, it was often ground with rocks and whatnot, so it was a little bit more grainy, and it was easier to use the traditional foul. So there we go. This produces a really smooth kava right there. This is how you palu. Palu is the Tongan word for mix, correct?
Yep.
So yeah, our kalapu here is always interested to bring in not only just the culture but the language as well. You know, as we learn different parts of this process of mixing the kava and sharing it as well.
Okay, if you come in here and have a look, this is the amount. This is the fine strain I was talking about. See? Which is save this going into our system. Yeah. Which is so now it's a pure clean kava now, which we are ready to drink.
15 liters.
Yeah.
It's a 4-gallon that ton.
We call it the 4-gallon lowrider. New academic year. What was it? Very much, sir.
F, G, C.
Grand Chief.
Oh, CG, sorry.
Grand.
C minor.
Come out with something loud.
CG.
How does it feel, Brian? Like a dagger in the heart.
Yours is too big.
That's crazy. Like, yeah.
Yeah, but it's crazy how I like find all these loopholes. It's like my friends are getting DUI, like it's such a huge hassle. Like for me, it's
It's been a long day.
Dumping all over a special ceremony here. He's jumping in with it, jumping out. And the old grandchildren. Lovely.
Really thick and bubbly. A fine rainy morning here in Bangkok. So I was editing this video, then I remember that we never really got to do any outro, but you can't really blame me. We were drinking kava, and as much as it's not alcohol, it really gets into your liver, and yes, let's just say we got happy, we got drunk, so we totally forgot to do an outro of it. But anyways, I joined the group, and to join the Kalap group you also have to partake in hosting the members. And I remember when it was my turn to host the members before I was inducted into the group, I had to have the cover prepared in my house, and of course buy snacks, things like that. And I was told by the Grand Chief that that was the biggest ever gathering of people. So what I can get to say is when you're drinking kava, it's more than the kava drinking, really. It's about the people you meet. I've met some really good friends over there in the Kalapu group, people you can get to have meaningful conversations over a shell of kava. I'm gonna leave the link below in case you might be interested. You can reach out to the administrators, then they will get in touch with you. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I barely did any editing because I wanted it to be as natural as possible, something I haven't done in a while. Yeah, but I am natural though. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Until the next time, this is Brian signing out. Have a good one. Good day. good night, wherever you are. Bye bye.